Wait, what? Hi everyone, welcome to Glittery Tales. This is Amika. So today I am going to review this Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay and Vinegar. The Aztec Secret has sent me to try and give review. It claims it's the world's most powerful facial, which is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. Now, what bentonite clay does? It fights with acne, reduces dark spots, balance complexion, helps to balance the oily skin, detoxify our skin, rejuvenate your skin, and get an intense clean. So let's try and see what it actually does. First, let's read the direction. It says mix the equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar or water. Use a non-metallic bowl. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste and add more clay or liquid as needed. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling or tightening sensation, and it says feel your face pulsate. And remove the clay by washing with normal water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. It removes the impurities and dirt from the pores. And it says it's 1 lb of clay and makes 10 to 15 facials. Use it once per week or more often for problem skin. Men love it too, that means men also can try this for external use only. And ingredients is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay, sun dried, no additives, no fragrance, no animal testing, no animal products in it, and discontinue if irritation occurs. And the life shield they gave it's 3 years, and the MRP is 1440 rupees, included all of the taxes. It comes with a sealed pack like this. Let's open it. I haven't opened it yet because I want to show you all, so I am going to see the product for the first time with you guys. Okay, it's a fine powder. And they sent me this Aztec Secret Indian Healing Vinegar to mix with the clay powder and apply on my face. The vinegar net weight is 500 ml, MRP is 899 rupees inclusive all the taxes, and the life shield they gave for this is 2 years. And it clearly says do not use if seals are broken, do not conceive directly without adding with water, keep it out the reach of the children. Ingredients: raw apple cider vinegar is unfiltered, unheated, unpressurized. 5% acrylic contains in amazing mother of vinegar which accrues naturally as strand like chain of connected protein molecules. Aztec Secret apple cider vinegar is made from the finest purest juice of Himalayan apple, and it is 100% natural, raw, unfiltered and unpressurized with live mother of vinegar for extra portion. And the description says it's 100% fresh apple, the mother of all vinegars. You can use it as a face toner also. It says how to consume. Add 1 tablespoon Aztec Secret organic apple cider vinegar to 1 warm glass of water. Zip 20 minutes before meals on empty stomach. Non-diabetic may add 1 tablespoon of natural honey to enhance the benefits. As you can see, I have my makeup on because I was shooting a makeup tutorial before this. If you like to see the makeup tutorial, I will put the link in the description box. You can check out there and watch the tutorial. Taking a cotton bud with oil to loosen up the false lashes. This make easy to remove the lashes. You can try this if you're having difficulties with removing your lashes, and see how easily it came off. Then taking this cleansing oil to remove the eye makeup. Then wiping off with a wet tissue. After that, using a mild face wash to clean my face. You can use anything which you have. Even if you are not wearing any makeup, then also wash your face before you use the healing clay mask. Let me wash my face and come. As you can see, I have pimples, small bumps in my face and here and here. So let's see what it does. And I have very sensitive skin. That is also we will discover what it does on sensitive skin. Now let's prepare the mask. For that I am using ceramic bowl and spoon because we cannot use any metallic things. They have mentioned very clearly. And I am taking 2 spoons of bentonite clay. Thought that quantity will be okay for me, but I was wrong. It was too much I took. You can apply this thrice with this amount. And now apple cider vinegar, I am shaking a bit because of this. Better to shake before every time you use, and I dropped some. Oops. The vinegar smells we all know. The clay will smell similar for your information. 2 tablespoons I added before, but it's not enough, so I am adding more to make a thick paste. And while adding the vinegar to the clay powder, it's bubbling like a soda. Let me show you. And our clay is ready. It's application time. I am applying with my hand cause I don't have brush that don't have metal in it. If you have non-metallic brush, you can use it. And it smells like vinegar, but for better result and for flawless skin, we all can bear this smell, right? And as they mentioned 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin, so I am going to keep it for 10 minutes as my skin is sensitive. 2 minutes check. As you can see, my forehead area started drying already, and I am feeling a little tingling here in the forehead and these areas. Five minute check. Now I am feeling the tightness and pulling sensation. It's been 10 minutes. It almost dried but not fully dried, like this area still wet. So if you are going to plan to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, use a handy fan to dry it out within the time. Otherwise it will be like this, or else apply a thinner layer. Let me wash with normal water and come. Wait, what? Wow! My skin feels so fresh and the pores deeply cleaned, and you can see the pimples and small rashes are tamed down, and my skin is feel while I am touching it so smooth. Only on this area and forehead got slightly redness. Let's wait for 30 minutes and see if it disappears as it says on the direction. So now it's been 30 minutes. Now all the redness are gone and skin is feeling amazing with just one application only. This is definitely world's most powerful facial. You can definitely go for this. If you want to get rid of acne, small bumps, discoloration and dark patches, acne scars, but do a patch test before the application as it is very powerful. So that's it guys, this is the end of the review. I hope you find it useful and like it. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Glittery Tales and hit the bell button for the upcoming updates. And tell me what should I try and give review next. Write in the comment section below, and I will put my social links in the description box. If you want to follow me, you can check there. So see you soon with a new one. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.